All right, old guy BMXer here. To me, this is gonna be a super exciting video. I've got the shirt on that my wife absolutely hates and won't let me wear out in public. And I got some new shoes that she absolutely hates. I picked up some Vans, new boot goofing. Love it. She hates them. She says I look like a clown. I don't know, these shoes kind of look nice. I remember wanting Vans as a kid and my mom couldn't afford them, so I bought them. Then I went and picked up groceries this morning, and the 24-year-old kid that came out to put them in my car was wearing Vans too, and I'm like, man, those are some cool shoes. He's like, yeah, everybody's still wearing them. I'm like, check mine out. And he absolutely loved them. He says, yeah, everybody's still wearing them, so to you and my wife. So this past Sunday, I went to Enfield, Connecticut to a bike swap meet, blah, blah, blah. It's my first one, kind of broke my cherry. Phenomenal. Met a lot of really cool people and went down there with my good friend Jeremy and his girlfriend, and we sat there and I spent some money. I'll show you my loot haul, okay? But super excited. So one of the things that I bought, all right, maybe I'll show you some of that stuff. Hold on. This and this and this. So bought a white chain. Think I'm going to try to put it on my RL20B with white and white sprocket. Bought a ACS Pause chromoly freewheel to put on a rim. And I got a lot of good deals. People are getting out there and they just don't want to bring this stuff home. And you know, I got some nuts for my axles. I got 2 sets of sealed axles for Tough Wheel 2s. And I thought that was kind of cool. Actually, that's a front and a rear, so a 1 set, which is pretty neat. Then I got this bad boy. Man, I love that matte black on that. And then I got a 43 tooth and a 44 tooth Redline sprocket. But this isn't the best stuff that I got. Man, I'm gonna tell you, I picked up this bike about 45 minutes south of Enfield, Connecticut from a guy by the name of Kevin. Really cool dude. So Kevin bought this 500A in 1984. And I think the story goes that his parents bought it with the help of his grandparents, and he raced it. He raced it for a couple of seasons. And he stopped racing, wore the knobs down to nothing, and replaced the tires. So right now it has GT Freestyle tires, but everything else is 100% original. And all I'm missing now is the center pad. And he says he might have that buried somewhere, and I'll do a close-up video in just a second. But absolutely cool. Everything that the 500 came with in 1984 is that. And I do have another 500A sitting right there, and all I'm missing is handlebars and those shiny side Akari rims. If I said that right, sorry. So, and I'm also finding out that that may not be a Redline fork. It may not be. I might have to do some digging, try to find that. But anyway, I picked up that bike. That's awesome. Drove down, met the guy, had a chat with him. Still talking to him on Facebook Messenger. Asked him if he had any pictures of him racing with it. That would be kind of cool to add to that. But 100% original, other than the tires, which I actually, Jeremy, my buddy's got a couple of Comp 3s that have been used from 1984. Worn down. I'm going to put those on there, and then I'm going to leave that as a survivor. I'm not going to touch it. I might wipe it down, make it pretty, but I'm not changing anything on that beautiful bike. Then I got this one. So I picked up this Redline RL20B. Has a lot of mismatched parts on it. And I don't know if I'm going to leave it the way it is or tear it apart and clean it up and put her back the way she should be. I don't know. Leave that in the comments. Tell me what you think I should do. I do know that I want to take those lavender tires off of that and put it on my Raspberry bike. I don't know. That might be a Frankenstein bike. I'll do a close-up of that too, and I'll add it to this video. But a lot of cool stuff. A lot of cool things I'm going to get coming up with. But tell me what you think. You know, I don't know. A lot of good things to come up with. I got a lot of videos coming, a lot of content. I got a lot of things to do, a lot of things to get rid of. I got some more stuff coming in the mail. But hey, stay tuned, stay rad, and thanks for watching. I appreciate it.